Bullish Kusama cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $175.82 and $382.89 by 2030. Market examiners accept KSM could reach $175.82 by 2025. Bearish Kusama market cost expectation for 2022 is $31.26. Kusama presentation. Polkadot's rendition representing things to come. Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits designers to explore different avenues regarding new highlights and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have every one of similar overhauls as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates adjustments or increments to the codebase, conventions, and administration systems. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building pack created by Equality Innovations. Along these lines, any potential defects can be distinguished and fixed before they cause significant interruptions on Polkadot. Also, on the grounds that Kusama is represented by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, any redesigns made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot too sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What is Kusama? KSM is the local cryptographic money of the Kusama organization. It is utilized to pay exchange charges and marking prizes and fills in as security for parachains and vote-based cooperation. Likewise, KSM holders can decide on administration recommendations through an on-chain mandate framework. Kusama is a versatile, interoperable blockchain stage that empowers designers to fabricate applications. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilizations a proof-of-stake agreement system. Kusama likewise includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on recommendations and arrive at conclusions about the fate of the organization. The Kusama network was sent off in 2019 and is presently in its beginning phases of advancement. The group behind the undertaking is centered around building a hardy environment of utilizations and administrations. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and security. What makes Kusama remarkable? Kusama is intended for designers who need to send off aggressive tasks with a quick advancing speed of improvement. What makes Kusama special is its attention on giving designers the apparatuses they need to succeed. This incorporates highlights, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, brilliant agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain collaborations. What's more, Kusama likewise has serious areas of strength for devotees and engineers who are committed to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kusama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. Instead of utilizing the verification of work agreement component, which is energy concentrated, Kusama utilizes a named confirmation of stake framework. This permits it to be more effective and adaptable than other blockchains. One of the novel highlights of Kusama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be updated without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot simpler to test new highlights and redesigns. Moreover, Kusama upholds cross-chain message passing, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for engineers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different highlights. One more benefit of Kusama is that it is fueled by spots, which are the local cache of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as spots have been tried on the mainnet. Moreover, specs give clients admittance to Polkadot's highlights, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. By and large, Kusama gives an exceptional open door to engineers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different highlights in a no-problem-at-all climate. Kusama Specialized Examination. The Kusama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to construct and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot handoff chain innovation and utilizations parachains for adaptability. What's more, it likewise utilizes parachains for versatility. These three parts make Kusama perhaps of the most impressive stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, versatility and interoperability, Kusama has been planned from the beginning to address these difficulties. The venture raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The dealer's buy pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kusama's fruitful ICO shows a huge interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kusama Blockchain. With its creative plan, Kusama is strategically situated to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the famous digital money, Polkadot. The Kusama coin is remarkable in that it offers a way for clients to try out novel thoughts and ventures on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the solidness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kusama coin has seen a huge flood in force starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers consider the task and its true capacity. Kusama current cost. Kusama is right now worth $39.07 USD. KSM has moved 1.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,987,526. Kusama is right now positioned 100 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $334,681,747 USD. Kusama value expectation 2022. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The KSM cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $58.59. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $54.68 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $46.87. Kusama value expectation 2023. In 2023, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $97.65. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the KSM's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $78.12 and a typical exchanging cost of $85.93. Kusama value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $136.71 and KSM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $124.99 and a low of $117.18 in 2024. Kusama value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Kusama effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $175.77, with a base cost of $156.24 and a typical cost of $164.05. Kusama value forecast 2026. After some broad guaching and specialized examination, we gauge the KSM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $203.11 by 2026, with a base cost of $195.30 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, KSM has a greatest value worth of $214.83. Kusama value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $242.00